so important to keep that positive behavior going and encouraging it and seeing that light. Because again, we want to focus on the positive of the student, what the student is doing right. So what we've implemented here at Westwind is we have the positive office referral. And our 8th grade has created a wall of honor where they publicly post in their hallway these amazing, amazing works of achievement from our kiddos, and they are tied directly to Boys Town social skills. Another thing that we've done is we have a Wildcat Pride ticket, and when the student is caught doing that awesome and particularly displaying a Boys Town social skill, the teacher will give them a little ticket, and then on Friday we call those names publicly over the PA. The students come down for a prize, and it's just another good opportunity to reward these kids for using their social skills and their life skills.